If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in PUBG, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue easily. Step 1. Restart the game. Close PUBG completely and relaunch it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that cause loading issues. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Disconnect and reconnect to your Wi-Fi or switch to a wired connection if possible to improve connectivity. Step 3. Clear game cache. Access your device settings and find the PUBG app. Clear the cache to remove any corrupted data that may be causing the loading screen issue. Step 4. Update the game. Check for any available updates for PUBG in your app store. Keeping the game updated can fix bugs and improve performance, including loading times. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the problem persists, uninstall PUBG and then reinstall it. This can help eliminate any corrupted files that may be causing the loading screen to freeze. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen issue in PUBG. Good luck and enjoy your gaming.